Home Pros Group repairs tankless hot water heaters, air conditioners, and provides furnace cleaning services. We serve the greater GTA areas, fully licensed and insured gas fitters, TSSA, and HVAC technicians on staff. From Barrie to South Mississauga and Oakville, we cover over 100 miles around the Mississauga surrounding areas. If your hot water heater, tankless or furnace needs repair or servicing, we can help. We serve Takagi, Norris, Bradford White, Renee, and many more types of gas appliances. We do maintenance on boilers, pool heaters, tankless and residential commercial furnaces.